wheelchair, this device helps a lot to our patient to move freely. They feel more comfortable to go wherever they want.
I do the proper hand washing. I wash my hands, sanitize, and wear my gloves. Okay, I'm done wearing my gloves. Knock, knock, knock. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Jai. I'm your caregiver. How are you today? Okay. As doctor's prescribed po, ma'am, we need to get your stool and urine for the laboratory. May I know po if this is the good side? Okay. How are you po today, ma'am? Okay. But before that, we need to get your vital signs for health monitoring po. Going to prepare the materials needed and I'll get back to you for a few minutes. Okay? Wash my hands, sanitize, and then wear another gloves. Gloves on. I'll bring the materials to check the vital signs. Hi, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll assist you go into the toilet to get your stool and urine. Let's do the side lying position. So I'll remove the pillow. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's put your hand over the head and another hand across the chest. And then one leg over the leg. So I'll assist your shoulder and your hips at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And then let's put your hands across. Okay, ma'am, let's put down your and then count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Screw and screw. So this is your good leg. So I'll put a guard belt and then proper position is at the hip Put your hands, ma'am, at your back, and then the other one in the bed. And then count of 3. 1, 2, 3. One step forward. And then one step here, side. One more. And 1, 2, 3. Secure the privacy of the patient. Lock the seatbelt. Ma'am, can you please down the other. Okay, ma'am, can you please use your one side to put it down and then assist your bad leg here and put the other side down. Very good po. And then I'll assist you going to that way. Okay, since this is your good side, so make sure this one side, this side as well. Can we up this one and then assist your bad side down and then up this other side. Very good. And not the same. So, are you ready, ma'am, to transfer here? So, let's assist you. Hands right now. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. One step forward. One more. And then remove the guard. Secure the privacy of the patient. Ma'am, take your time and just let me know if you need something. Something, just call me. Assuming the patient is done, I'll transfer the wheelchairs since the good side. Hi ma'am, how are you po? So since you're done, remove this one. So let me ask you, where do you want to take this? Take out or the chair? One step forward. One more. Secure the privacy. And then, can you please pull it down? This one. This is the bad leg. And then put down the other one. Ma'am, as doctor's advice, you need to perform the passive exercise. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Do it yourself, ma'am. I'll assist you. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Very good. So next is abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Do it yourself, ma'am. I'll assist you. Abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Very good po. Let's proceed. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then the active one, ma'am, I'll assist you. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Very good. Let's do the internal rotation and then external rotation. One more. Internal rotation, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation. Can you think yourself, ma'am? Internal rotation, external, internal rotation, external, internal rotation, external. Remember that, ma'am, I'll do the aftercare and I'll be back after a few minutes to check your vital signs again. So assuming aftercare is done, I remove my gloves, discard, wash my hands, sanitize, wear another gloves, gloves on, I'll check the vital signs. Assuming the vital signs is done and it's normal. So, ma'am, we're done and you have to take your rest. I remove the gloves, hand wash, discard, hand wash, sanitize, and document it in my haircut.